हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे शॉर्ट ऐसे ऑन इलेक्शन। दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ अब जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। Public elections are the first sign of democracy and necessary attribute of the freedom of choice and thought given to the population. Elections as a decision-making process have their roots in ancient Greece and Rome and used to serve as the main mechanism for choice of emperors and other important figures in the history. Democracy is a government of the people, for the people and by the people. An election has an important role in building the nation. Basically, elections are held in every 5 years. There are several types of elections in terms of who is being chosen. It can be presidential, parliamentary election on high governmental level, or private and local election for authorities and other leadership positions. The candidates use a symbol to fight election. There are candidates fighting on the tickets of the recognized party, national or regional. Some candidates fight independently. They are allotted symbol by the election commission. Election is very important to keep a democratic country functioning, as it gives people the right to select their own government. We should actively participate in election and select good candidates. तो दोस्तों, ये था शॉर्ट ऐसे ऑन इलेक्शन। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। थैंक यू।